Okay, so translations. So we're going to translate this triangle ABC, and we're going to translate it 3 right and 2 down. So the main things that you have to remember is really that translation is to slide. So you're not really doing anything to the shape. You're not changing its size. You're not changing any of the angles, any of the side lengths. You're just changing where it's located on the grid. And so all you have to do is be able to count, and you should be able to do this particular task. So let's do this. Let's take point A. We have to translate it 3 right and 2 down. So let's do that. 3 right, 2 down. It goes 1, 2, 3, and then 2 down. 1, 2. So the new location of A is here. So I'm going to put that there. And that's not really A anymore. We call it A dash. And there's a dash to indicate it's not the original. It's an image or a copy of the original point. So I'm going to do the same process for C. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, right? And then 2 down. 1, 2. So it ends up here. So it's a little bit of a pain because I'm overlapping a little bit the original shape. But that is the location of C dash. And I'll do point B as well. So 1, 2, 3, and 2 down. 1, 2. So there. So the location of B dash goes here. And now all I need to do is join these points, and I will have translated the entire shape from its original location to its new location right there.